Hello and welcome to Informatica support videos. This is Asmita from Informatica GCS, and in this video we will talk about session and transformation tracing in Informatica. The agenda of this video is to understand what is tracing, what are the different types of tracing, and then we will see a short demo on the same. What is tracing? Tracing is detailed information on step-by-step process execution. Depending upon the tracing level which you are selecting, the logs will be traced or logged. The session log contains information about the task that the integration service performs during the session execution. Along with that, it also contains the load summary and transformation statistics. Integration service creates session log for each session which is executed. If the workflow contains more than one session, then the integration service creates log for each of the sessions. The session log may contain the information like allocation of heat memory, execution of pre-session and post-session command tasks, SQL commands for reader and writer, and any other transformation, time when the lookup, reading, writing started and ended, what are the errors encountered during the session execution, load summary of the reader and the writer, what is the data movement mode being used, what are the code page being used, etc. The amount of the log that contains and traces depends on the tracing level being selected. This tracing level can be selected either at the session level or at the transformation level. So let's go ahead and see what are the different level of tracing. The different types of tracing labels in Informatica are none, terse, normal, verbose initialization, and verbose data. None and normal are almost the same type of tracing levels. These logs will contain the information related to statistics, status, errors which are encountered while the execution of session, skipped rows. It will be basically summarizing the result of execution, but it will not contain the level of individual roles. Terse tracing level will be containing the information in addition to what is there in normal and none, have initialization and notification of the rejected tasks. Verbose initialization will contain the details about the types of index used in the transformation statistics. Verbose data, in addition to the verbose initialization, will be having the detail of each row which is passed in the mapping. It also notes where the integration service truncates string data to the set to basically set the precision of the column. So now let's go ahead and see the demo on the same. So here in the demo you can see that I have a particular mapping where I have two transformations. So integration service will set a particular tracing level which is normal for all the transformations by default. So you can see that I have edited the transformation and we can see that the tracing level here is normal. You can set any one of your choice depending upon the use case. And also I'll show you the tracing level for expression transformation. Here also you can see that the tracing level is set to normal. If you want to enable tracing for transformation into any other mode other than normal, like verbose initialization or verbose data, then probably you can select any one of them. Now I'll go and show you how to do this for session. So at the session level, you just have to edit the session. If you go to config objects, you will see the override tracing. Here it is set to verbose data. Depending upon how you want your logs to be, you can select any one of them. So I'm just selecting verbose data here. Also, if you go to your mapping tab, you will be able to see the tracing level, what is set for a particular transformation. So here if you see for source qualifier, it has been set to normal. Also, if you go to particular transformation also, you can see what is the tracing level being set for that particular transformation. Okay. With this, we finish our demo session. You can try any of these depending upon if you're getting any errors or you want to have an extra level of logging or tracing. We would love to hear from you. You can write to us on supportvideos@informatica.com or tweet us on InfoSupport. Thank you so much for your time.